I usually don't hunt in August, and I'm kind of breaking my streak now. But we just had a hurricane come through here, Irene, and it dumped about 5 inches of rain into the Spotsylvania area. And I figured it would probably do some good for the ground out here. So I'm going to try to sink the shovel in the ground, try to stay as cool as possible. There's a towel for my sweat. I've got my fluids in my backpack, and see if I can dig some bullets today. So I'll keep you informed. So I'm approximately 1 hour into my dig today, and I heard this signal, which happens to be this Merrill carbine here. But when I was pulling that out of the hole, I noticed that there was some ash coming out of the hole too. So what I see is I'm getting myself into a fire pit, and I'm going to turn my machine off and see if I can scrape around here and see what else I could come up with. Okay, it's just a little bit after 5 p.m. and I'm taking a break in the cool shade of the trees, and this is what I've recovered so far. So on the left side I've got a pile of 2 ringers, some Gardeners 54 calibers. Those are nice. I just uncovered those about 3 minutes ago before I walked over here. They're pretty deep, all in a little grouping, maybe 25 feet all together. Got some buckshot, some Merrill carbines, 1 Colt, looks like a Dragoon, and a 54 musket ball. So that's it so far. That fire pit that I started, it wasn't very productive and was very shallow. At most it was about a 2-inch. It was just like a small ash layer, had some nails in it and nothing else. So I went ahead and closed that up. I was only in that hole for about 15 minutes. So that's our progress so far, and hopefully I've got 2 more hours and I can add to this collection here. Here's a quick summary of the finds for the day. So we had 7 of these pistol balls. We had 5 54 caliber 2 ringers. We had 2 ringtail sharps, Sharps carbine, 369 caliber musket balls, 2 54 caliber musket balls, 3 Merrill carbines, 54 caliber, and a Barthelall, 44 caliber Barthelall. So that's the summary of today's hunt. Not too bad.